Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to jack up secure the tire changed from the rear version of your Mercedes-Benz GLA or A-Class car. The first step every time is pull the handbrake by pushing it. Yeah, that's electronic style. Then, of course, you're going to get wedges on the opposite side of the wheels. At the rear side of our vehicle, the car is standing over there. We are ready for jack up the car. That means we support it first. We pull the handbrake and use the wedges on the direct opposite side, of course. And then we see there is the jack up points on the rear side of the vehicle. This is the area where we can jack up the car. Then, of course, we are going to untighten the bolts a little bit. Enough rotation is enough for that, of course. But only if you do not use a tool for that. Then, of course, we can pump up the car. We are going to jack up our car by a car jack tool, and until we can enter to our tire system or underneath the car too. Really good, easy peasy. A little bit space for now. The next step is we are removing the bolts using like this tool to unscrew all bolts. And if we unscrew all bolts, we can, of course, remove the tire from the position. Then, of course, to assemble or to install a new one, we are going to liquid a little bit here. We grease the flat surface a little bit and get the new tire into position. If the new tire is in position, of course, we use the bolts to get them hand screwed. After this, use the lowest setting of your tool for that, because that should be not the tightened enough. It's only a little bit. And then if we tighten it, hand tighten the bolts, we can get back the car onto the ground. And if we have it on the ground, we go to the torque wrench and use 80 Newton meter. And then we tighten all bolts with a star and 80 Newton meters. And after this performed, we go to 130 Newton meter and tighten them in the stars shape, of course, as well, with 130 Newton meter, and then job's done. Back on the road. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give them a poll to Peter. I hope to see you again on the channel. Dun dun.